In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change Google Chrome language settings to English or any other language. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You will see the menu icon with 3 vertical dots. Click on those 3 dots to open the main Chrome menu. After the menu opens, find and select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page for Chrome, where you can manage the browser's appearance, privacy options, performance settings, and more. On this page, look for the language section and click on it. Once you are in the language area, you will be able to review your current language preferences and make changes as needed. This is the place where you can set Chrome to English or choose another supported language. If you are changing the browser language because menus and settings are difficult to understand, take your time and follow the labels carefully. A helpful tip is to move slowly through each menu so you do not miss the correct option. If needed, you can also use the search bar at the top of the settings page and type language to jump directly to the correct section more quickly. That covers everything you need to know.